I can make Saitama, Death Punch / Serious Punch, and Gacha online. Anyway, let's get it over with. So, this is absolutely different, so follow my instructions. If you skip some, then you're not gonna be able to have it. Anyway, back hair, 1200 and 491. It wasn't, this is not hard at all. It's pretty easy. Face AC, 1000 and 878. Eyes, 53. Shirt, 1200 and 541. Pants, 25. Belt, 1200 and 934. Sleeves, 1100 and 627. That's right here. Wings, 20. Cape, 3238. This is for the air. Oh yeah, this one, yeah. I already forgot about this one, but hold on, this might take a while. Found it, okay. 400 and 508. And scarf. Wait, I think I passed it. Yeah, I did because I blinked. Okay. 1000 and 852. That's it. And you finish. Here's the color. Copy it. Here's the skin color. Copy it. Eyes color. White. The hand color. The belt color. And you're finished.